How to fix Instagram not sending messages easy and quick on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First go to Play Store or App Store, and here make sure your Instagram is updated. And now if that doesn't fix your problem, go back, restart your phone. Don't open Instagram, just restart your phone and go to settings. Then scroll down until you find here battery, click on it, and then click ultra power saving mode, enable it, and then wait few seconds and disable it. And now open Instagram and you will find that your problem is fixed, and that's it, easy and quick. Please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.